Hi guys, today we are grilling, but we are not going anywhere. We are at home grilling with using a pan. And today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make the most delicious pan grilled chicken ever. That will be one of your new favorite dishes.
Let's go for it.
Chicken breast, potatoes, paprika, lemon, olive oil, salt, black pepper, paprika powder, dried vegetable powder, garlic powder, fresh garlic and ginger, turmeric, and mayonnaise sauce.
Taking me to my goal. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh, there's something right about tonight. Oh, I come alive inside your eyes. Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. There's something right about tonight. I come alive inside your eyes.
These juicy and delicious chickens with amazing flavor of garlic and fresh ginger is just everything. Serve this delicious grilled chicken with fried fresh paprikas and these yummy potatoes.